What's up, guys? This is the Nvidia Shield TV Pro 2019 model. Here's the front of the box. This is going to be a quick unboxing. I'm not sure how quick the video will be. I'm not sure what this PRD is on here, but overall this is the first impression you get of the box. And on the side here you have 4K, 16 gigs of storage, 3 gigs of RAM, audio. I'm not sure what the audio thing is there, but if you can, pause and read yourself. This side says you got the Nvidia Tegra X1 processor and so on. But again, if you can, pause and read this yourselves. Kind of be easier on me. Here's the back. If you want to pause and read this on the back as well, you can. Powered by Android. So let's see what happens when we turn it into the box here. This is the remote. It's triangle. It's got a dedicated Netflix button and so on. It's very nice looking. Now right here is the unit itself. On the front side here it's just plain Jane. On the side, plain Jane as well. On this side, plain Jane. On the back, you have USB ports, you have Ethernet port, and your power supply. Alright guys, sorry this ain't been a good video. I hope it was. It's a quick unboxing. Here's the quick look at the bottom. But anyways, I hope you liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up, share, and help support my channel. Let me see what else is in the box. I'm sorry, I almost forgot. So underneath here, you have your books. You have your power supply. I almost forgot all this. It's got a nice little logo on it. Ooh, that's a big power supply. We might have a problem plugging this in. Okay, nice. My GoPro just shut off on us. And I think that's going to be it in the box. Yep, there's nothing in the box. Whoa, we don't even have a HDMI cable? Are you serious? I mean, like, who don't have a million of them laying around? That's no big deal. I got plenty of them. Alright, so guys, I hope you liked the video. Again, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope y'all guys have an awesome day. And I'll see you in the next video.